Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get your daily coins and stuff like that. So I'm going to be teaching you how to do that to get your max experience and max coins. There is a max, because the max Bitcoins you can get is 500, and then the max experience you can get is 300. So I'm going to be teaching you how to reach that. Now, step one is you need to find a set. So you can go into Discover, type in free. Just do this. I recommend just doing this, minimum questions. And then you just pick any thing you want. Or you can create your own. So what you need to do to create your own is do this. Just name it whatever you want. You also put an image. I'm just gonna put something like, I don't know. Oh, yes. So then you just press create. Then you press add question. And then you just type whatever you want. And then you mark all of them as correct. You only need one question. You could also put an image if you want. Type in that. Just add that. Okay, put that right there. And save the set. And look what you got now. Yeah, and then you press solo. Go into factory. Put your time to 5 minutes. Start the game. And now you just keep spamming until it's the end of the round. So I'll be back when the game ends. Okay guys, we're nearing the end of this Blooket. So it just ended. We're getting in our rewards. And that's a lot. And you can see I got 183 questions. You can pretty much put it to 20 minutes and then you should get your max. But I didn't want to do that for the video. But we have a lot of money. So let's just spend it on the bot pack. Or which one should we choose? Okay, I think we should do the medieval pack. Okay, let's spend it all. Oh, I got a fairy. What's this one? An elf. Ooh. Elf. Wizard. We got the wizard. I think I already have the wizard though. We got the witch. That was new. We got the witch. That's new. We got another witch. Another witch. The witch is pretty common. 13.4%. Fairy. Another witch. Okay, now let's resell them so then we can get more packs here. Resell them. Resell. Let's resell them, guys. Let's I got a lot of witches. They're like the most common, I think. Put that there. How much I got now? We got 37. Okay, let's do one more medieval pack. Oh, and we got a queen. That's new. We got the queen. Oh, we've unlocked every single Blook in the medieval pack. That is great. Okay, so guys, that is it for this video. Hope this helped you guys. Bye. Also, like and subscribe for more Blooket tutorials and videos.